What are the purpose and attributes in HTML? Attributes are additional information that we can put in the HTML to initialize certain DOM properties. Properties are formed when the browser parses the HTML and generates the DOM. What is flex layout? What is the difference between flex and grid layout? Flex layout is a flexible box layout that provides a more efficient way to layout, align, and distribute space among items in the container, even when their size is unknown or dynamic. Flex layout defines 4 properties that affect the size, orientation, and alignment of child views. They are direction, justification, alignment, and wrap type. The difference between flex and grid layout is two-dimensional, where flex layout is one-dimensional. Grid can use row and column at the same time, where flex can use either a row or a column. What is a callback function? A callback function is a function that can be accessed by another function and is called once the first function has completed. Is JavaScript synchronous or asynchronous? JavaScript is a synchronous language because it has a single thread. That is why it can only execute one command at a time, and the other commands need to wait for executing before the running command is executed. And synchronous means one at a time. What is virtual DOM? What are the difference between virtual and real DOM? Virtual DOM is an in-memory representation of real DOM. The representation of a UI is kept in memory and synced with the real DOM. It is a step that happens between the render function being called and displaying elements on the screen. This entire process is called reconciliation. The difference between virtual and real DOM. Real DOM is a language natural interface allowing programs and scripts to dynamically access the update multiple objects like content, structure, and style of a document, whereas virtual DOM is a collection of modules designed to provide a declarative way to represent the DOM for an application. The real DOM represents the document as nodes and objects, whereas a virtual DOM object is a representation of a DOM object, like a lightweight copy. Real DOM is an object-oriented representation of a web page, modified with a scripting language like JavaScript, but virtual DOM is ideal for mobile-first application. Difference between props and state. Both props and state are plain JavaScript objects, while both of them hold information that influence the output of render. They are different in their functionality with respect of components. Props get passed to the components similar to function parameters, whereas state is managed within the component similar to variables declared within a function.